So from there, you would have to create some standalone pieces without it pulling automatically from the MLS feed. So there's two different ways. You can simply go to the home or on any tab and create a new project. And that's going to take you to this design page, or if you just simply hit the design tab there, you'll be taken there. And now there's a couple different ways that you can search for your perfect marketing piece. The first is up top here. So you can see the recent ones that you have done. You can scroll through there. You can see your favorites. And this is when you go and favorite a certain piece, you can go and find it quickly up top. You can see the popular designs throughout the whole Century 21 Canada. You can scroll through and see what other people are using. And you can also see featured ones as well. If you scroll down, you can search for a marketing piece by the product. So this has everything from your brochures to postcards to your videos. So it can all be easily found through there. Or you can search by task. So say if you know that you are presenting to a buyer or a seller, or maybe it's a just listed, you can go and find each piece organized by here. So that's 3 different ways that you can find your perfect marketing piece, and it's bound to fit whatever needs you are searching for. Now let's go back to this product page, and I will show you how you can grab that flyer. So from here, you'll just simply go and click the flyer one. You can see the different versions we have here. So we have the team, we have all the different status types, as well as a self-promotion postcard. But I'm just going to go ahead and do the just sold. I'd simply click here, select that design, and now you would have to name it. I'm going to just do a test. You can select a folder or create a new folder. We'll create a new one, and then you can either find from your MLS data, you can call directly from there, or you can simply type in an address or search an MLS ID. And for this one, I'm just going to use this one, so we have an address to use. You would confirm. There we go. So you can see that it's already pulled in all of this info, but say if you didn't have this already on the MLS, you could simply go and you would click the plus button and you would upload an image either from your computer or Dropbox or wherever you have those images held. Then you would hit save and continue to the text portion. So again, all of these are editable. Say if you don't like the just sold option there, you can change that wording. You can go through and you can type however you see fit. Now this is an example of a body copy that is too large over the character count, so it won't include all of that info. You can simply go and just kind of delete until it fits. And you can also rewrite however the copy, so say if all of that stuff was important, you would just have to simply rewrite it and include it so that it's small enough to fit on that. Because remember that on postcards, people are not going to be reading that much info, and you can instead direct them to the site to get that more info. Another great feature about this new marketing center is if sometimes you're having a hard time coming up with a headline, this is a great feature. Is you simply click this little pen and paper, and it's a phrase assist. So you can go and you can do a stock phrase. You can go through headlines or all phrases. You can do it by keywords, say if you know that it is a charming place. And you can also click this to show only the amount of words that will fit into that box. So you click that, you can see that it has all of these amazing stock phrases that will headline catching for all of your clients and spheres of influence. So we'll do that one there. You can see that it automatically pulls in there. And again, you can go and edit any of the information as you see fit, But that looks good to me, so we'll just simply hit save and continue. And again, it just wants you to double check your contact information. Looks good. All right, so now this is where you can grab either your PDF copy or you can get that link as well. So there's two different options when you are downloading your PDF. You'd simply hit the download button there. And there's the standard PDF or a commercial PDF. So the standard PDF is something that you would be typically printing at home or say at your office. And then the commercial PDF is a more of a professional print, so that prints off or it downloads the PDF with the bleed and crop marks so that the printers are able to align it up properly and print with them. Now let's say if we're downloading that standard PDF, we just simply click the download button here. And now this is a two-step process and it gives you a list of how to do this. You would just simply hit your project name there, and that takes you to your PDF page, and you have to save it to your computer through this button here. You would just simply save and save it to wherever you found fit on your computer. You can also print directly from this page as well if you are printing to a local printer. All right, so let's go back here and I can show you what the commercial PDF looks like. You can choose how big the bleed is. You can choose if you want it one up or with crop marks as well. And it's going to be that same step process of downloading it back to your computer and clicking that download there. So you can see that it has the crop marks with the bleed as well. All right. You can also print, let's see that there. You can also print directly with ColourTech. You just simply click on that button and it takes you to that portal. And if UPS is your preferred printer, you can also click this link and it takes you directly to your UPS portal sign-in. So you would just simply sign in there and upload your PDF, your commercial PDF there as well.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like button, the subscribe, and even the little bell to get notifications, just so you can stay in touch and watch more of these great videos.